7 weather with meteorologist Vivian Gonzalez.
Good morning, South Florida. Hopefully everyone's off to a great start. We're waking up to bright sunshine with some in and out clouds. And as far as the radar is concerned, you should have a fine commute. It's mostly dry if it takes you through Broward, Miami-Dade. Around the Florida Keys, we've seen some low-level moisture in the form of spotty showers pushing through, most of them located on the bay side. But between Key Largo, Tavernier, and Islamorada, now starting to see some lighter periods of rain. 80 to 85 degrees. Good morning to you over in Fort Lauderdale. 84 in Miami, 85 for you in Key West, and it's feeling more like 95 degrees when you combine the high humidity. And temperatures today will definitely feel like the low hundreds, just shy of meeting heat advisory criteria. The wind starting to shift more out of the east and northeast, and we are expecting that shift as high pressure is in control of our weather pattern, and it should be a fairly dry day today. Now here's the latest update. The 8 o'clock intermediate advisory on Aaron, 70-mile-per-hour winds. It's looking much better organized, and this one will become a hurricane at some point today. It is moving west-northwest at 17 miles per hour and about 520 miles to the east of the northern Leeward Islands. The official track from the Hurricane Center still calls for that northward turn, since a gap's going to be opening up between two areas of high pressure, but it's going to go through very warm waters, and this one will likely become a Category 4 system just to the east of the southern Bahamas heading into the upcoming weekend. So here's what we can expect. It is forecast to move near the northern Leeward Islands this weekend. And as far as impacts for these areas, well, they're going to be felt well outside the cone, since it is going to track north of the area. A lot of rain's going to be spreading here. The heavy downpours could lead to urban and stream flooding, damaging winds gusts possible from some of those strong storms, and dangerous marine conditions for sure expected for them. Then there's this disturbance located in the Gulf with a medium chance to form before it pushes onshore as early as tonight. No advisories in effect for boaters through the Florida Keys. Coastal waters at a light chop. With the next tide cycle, that's going to be low tide, 9:17 for Key West. Highs today in the 90s, overnight lows in the 80s. For the most part, with your extended outlook calling for a slightly better chance for rain over the weekend. That's your 7 on 7.